Hi, business owners, entrepreneurs, and investors from all around the world. I'd like to welcome you in Kuala Lumpur on the 26th of November 2024 to meet your partner, your investors, and your investees in both sides. Get the deal closed here. Don't struggle. Don't fight. Don't look for someone that you don't know. Don't look for something that you don't know and waste your time, money, and energy Googling and looking for someone that doesn't exist. What you will be doing here is you will be meeting people that we know for years together, that we will be presenting the projects and the businesses will make sense for you to look at on the spot, meet the owners, meet your partners, have a coffee on the table, discuss business, and come to a terms where you can instantly sign a deal. We'll have a lawyer here to assist your MOU, MOA, and go from there. When you go out of this room, you will be having something with you that you will be proud of. I'd like to welcome you to join our summit here in Kuala Lumpur on the 26th of November at 9 a.m. in the morning. Next day on 27th, you will be also joining on a mentorship masterclass that will give you the financial freedom that you have been expecting for a long time. I'd like to welcome you to Kuala Lumpur on the 26th of November 2024 in the Investor Summit organized by Business Summit and Dr. M. Haider Uzzaman. Thank you.